Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will be making Bunjal curry chicken. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box below along with the measurements. Guys, if you're ready, let's get started. To my bowl, I have 3 pounds of chicken. I'll be adding some green seasoning, some red diced chili, some garlic, onions, black pepper, chicken bouillon, some masala, and a few cracks of salt, and we will mix well. Make sure everything is nice and combined. Now I'll add 2 medium potato diced and continue to mix, and we will set that aside. Now we will move to making our paste. I've had some curry powder to the bowl and some masala. I'm now adding some water. We will mix this until it forms a paste-like consistency. Now to a hot pan, I'll be adding some geerah. I'll brown this really dark, and then I use my Martha and pound it out. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon in my pan and along with my curry paste, and I will fry this. Make sure there is no grain in your curry. You want to achieve a really kind of dark greenish color like this. All right, it smells amazing, guys, and that is what you want to see. Now you'll go in with your garlic, some onions, cilantro, and you will mix. Now we will add our chicken and we will mix the chicken with the curry. Make sure everything is coated and nice and combined. Make sure also to get the bottom of your pan. Now we will fry this for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we will cover and allow the chicken to produce its own juice. Then we'll remove the cover and give it another stir, not too high of a heat. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of water. Bunjal is a really dry curry, but I like mine with just a little bit of gravy. So it's not going to be much, but it's going to be really thick and rich and super delicious. Here you can adjust your seasoning to your likeness and taste. I'll add the cover back on this and allow it to cook until it becomes nice and thick. Yes, this is exactly what you want to see. The potatoes are nice and soft and it tastes amazing. Guys, if you give this recipe a try, let me know. Thank you again for spending the time with me. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.